Hi guys, Ryan here from Less Pest, More Control, and I'm still working late at night. Just had an emergency job come out. They were renovating, found they had some termite workings in the walls, just out at Tallai, Queensland. So we've just done a termite inspection, and now we've just foamed the termites, and yeah, let's have a look what we're looking at. So this is what they found when they stripped it. All came through here. Right, but the kicker is that in this wall here, there's a heap of this stuff. No live termites in it though, so this is all old damage. These poor buggers bought this place within a year ago, and obviously it had termites, and they obviously didn't do any preventions to stop the termites coming back in. So that there is basically chopped all through this wall. So I foamed it all up. And they've tracked along this whole bottom here, so we've foamed all that. And they opened this up before I got here, so basically we can see the scarring down in here with the workings coming up. Yeah, and that's our foam on the workings. And it comes along, and all of a sudden it just starts tracking up these bits where, yeah, obviously you would never see this normally in a foaming job, but they've pulled the sheets off. So yeah, basically there. Pretty scary stuff, guys. And then basically the reason why I know it's old damage is if we come over here, we've got some new timbers that they've replaced, the cheeky buggers. See here, but there's the old termite there. Some old scarring on here. Obviously they've eaten the bottom plate out and the old stain on the back. Yeah, you guys need a termite inspection on the Gold Coast, give us a call. Jeffrey and Nadia, hello guys. Have a good day guys. Bye bye.